This now waiting happen for the compound when I did. Now 1 year, but when they call SAS, come rent the back flat. As the boy just step into the compound, I was like, oh God, now so I see that house, you carry your husband, come give me. Miracle, no, they tire you. I was very, very happy. I can't begin the crush on this boy, nothing when I not do. Before SAS go say, I'm looking for where to buy water, I go say, no buy you. I get for his house, come carry. Do you know where they sell for? I go say, don't mention, give me the gallon, make I go buy and come for you. Upon no say, I no dey. That's why I go begin the waka waka like picking way no get house. All my slippers don't fine when I take the waka waka. But I know my because I know love is blind. At that particular point, I no believe say I dey see again. No be last Monday I sit down for outside here. Osas drive enter compound. As he park in car, now so one giant girl come out from inside. The girl carry mozo like mozo poo. Now this kind of girl when go they do over sabi for gym, now she be. If una see the way I leg tick for ground like yam, we don't want to do New Yam Festival. That one not pay me oh. Osas get mind tell me say Gifty meet the love of my life. Osas, do you have a life? No, you don't. Since then I've been downcast, I've been shatterized. I for don't come and come tell una but na to the judgmental person, I make I no come talk am. Because I know so na go laugh me. Osas we go dey carry mozo poo girl. Osas sleep like chewing stick. But my God, we know they sleep. He can never disappoint me. Yesterday I dey for corner of house they wash clothes. I don't know wetin happen between you and the girl for inside house. Next thing when I dey hear na bass boss. Girl don't beat Osas to the extent say you don't even use cloth tie neck they draw like goats. Osas dey holla, I'm not a goat. Let me I call the help and dey holla, meh.